Alright. Hey y'all. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Not too long ago I just got in the house, but I just really wanted to sing some more. I had a great time in my show tonight. Shout out to my unit ladies. I love y'all. So, I'm really sleepy, but I'm gonna try to get this out because I just really gotta get it out. But I'm gonna sing Church Bells, originally by Etta James, but Beyonce style. So I hope y'all enjoy it, because after this I'm gonna be knocked out. I heard church bells ring. I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle. On her finger he placed the ring. Oh, I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard the promise, till death do us part, and each word was a pain in my heart. All I could do is cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I loved, and all I could do was cry. And now the wedding is over. Oh, the rice has been thrown over their heads. For them, life has just begun, but mine was ending. Could do was cry.